Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with a little extra video today to let you know that I am going to list the Boho journal. I got it finished and I am going to list this journal in my Etsy on Saturday, July 27th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. So just want to give you a heads up and let you know that this one is going up. Got her finished. I put one of my snippets as the closure. That was a suggestion by one of my subbies. And I've just used one of the Tim Holtz pins here to close that. And I figured that way, as the journal expanded, as you put your own things in it, you could also expand. You know, you've got a good 5-6 inches there that you can go. So for right now, what I'm doing is just squeezing the journal and just running it down and pulling it off like that. So, okay, so let's just flip through it. We did most of this together, so you've probably seen pretty much all of this, but we'll just do a flip through so you see it all together. So, of course, there's this gorgeous cover, and this is actually my Artymaze design team project, and I used her boho kit. So you'll find Artymaze's link in the description box, and you can go over there and get one for yourself. So this piece of paper, we did a little fun thing with the, oh gosh, what is that pen called? Winkostella pen. And over here, we've got a pocket. We've got some handmade tags. We've also got a journaling card here. This one has some of the modeling paste on it and stuff, and as does this tag, actually. And so those all just kind of layer themselves in there under this ruffle. And these are some of the papers that I did with Brushos. And so I'll try and remember to put the Brushos video at the end of this video so you can see that if you haven't. Here's a snippet trim that is used as a belly band with a little card there. Some more Brusho paper, the digitals from Andrea's beautiful kit. I've got an altered vintage envelope there, and then it's got this journaling card in it. And let me see if I can get that back in there. And a little Cantha quilt tab. Some more of the Brusho paper. This one I stamped on, did some gesso and things. Little ruffle there. One of Artymaze's beautiful prints. Her pockets, I put those on, and then I did a couple little tags with my painted papers that are the boho painted papers. Just made little tags out of those to go on, and then the beads hang over the side of the journal, like so. That over. Again, Brusho paper and Artymaze. We have a little flap of an envelope here with one of Artymaze's tags that I just embellished at the top a little bit. So good place for extra journaling. That just goes right there. And then this envelope actually flips out like so, and has in there this journaling card. Great big journaling card, like a whole nother page of journaling. I really love that one. I love how that came out. And on this side, we've got pockets. And this is one of my friend Austin Arnold's tags that he sent me that I kind of galed up a little bit. And then put a tag in that kind of matched the pocket a little bit. We've got a Rita Donnelly flip here, G. Marie Scratchak on YouTube. And then this was some fun, I think it's a reproduction of Money, I think, but it looked bohemian to me and the colors were right. So into the journal it went. And then that flips back, get back kind of in center. This book page pocket has some beautiful trim from Sheila at Boho Daydreams on Facebook, and a couple of journaling cards that just tuck in the pocket here. And then it itself is a pocket, and I put some more of Sheila's gorgeous trims on there. And the middle of the signature, there's a little envelope, and it's got a journaling card that we made with, again, some of my prints, my Boho digitals. We've got an envelope flap that's flapping over the top there, and this is the CD envelope from A Tattered Dream, a ticket from A Tattered Dream that we just kind of layered up on a viewfinder die cut. So the viewfinder die cuts I got at Emily at the polka dot shop, vintage polka dot shop, and but I heard that she was out of them, so I don't know. Let's see what else here. Oh, we've got a little flip, extra journaling spot there. Got this beautiful little envelope tucked in there for keepsakes or whatever. Some more Brusho paper, some more Artymaze paper. And on that side, the beautiful Artymaze prints. Here's another Rita Donnelly flip. And in this one, we have, again, another piece of that Money or reproduction Money, and then a guest check that's been altered, and a little tag that's kind of cut out lacy. It's like a die cut tag, more or less, on that page. And then this page, again, some tags that I made. This one, and then this one is out of the corrugated cardboard. And that's just tucked into that pocket. Artymaze here. A little tuck that I made for another journaling card. Goes right in there like that. This side has this beautiful bingo card that was made by my friend Amelia. Envelope flap holding one of Artymaze's tags. And it's been embellished with some trims from Sheila. Another one of the prints, and then this is the fabric flip in this one. There's beads, and there's flowers, and there's just all sorts of loveliness in this one. And then page from the kit, Brusho page there, and then the last page, and then this also has a writing board in it, so that when you're ready to write, for instance, if you want to write on this page, then you put in your writing board so that you're not writing on the lumpy bumpies that are decorating the journal. So that is my Boho journal. I loved making it. Thank you, Andrea, for your wonderful digitals that inspired me. And Sheila for your trims and all the wonderful Boho things that I've gotten in Happy Mail contributed to the making of this journal. So this will be listed on my Etsy Cinnamon Tea Saturday, July 27th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. And I will put in the description box the link to my website, which goes straight. There's a button there that goes straight to my Etsy. or it's cinnamon tea on Etsy, and I'll put that link down there too, since we're listing a journal. So thank you so much, everyone, for being with me in the process of making this journal. And I hope that if you're interested, you'll go over and take a look. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.